Alright guys, so I pulled the plug out of the bottom of the petcock just to see if any gas would drain out. And this is what it looks like. I stirred it up a little bit with a screwdriver, but this, some nasty stuff. Looks like we may need to clean the tank. I don't know, I'm going to investigate a little further, but gross. So with all that crud that I just found in that little cap, I'm going to try to blow in the fuel line and see if any crud gets tossed out of the ports inside of this petcock. Here's the fuel line. It goes to here. Let's see if I can clear anything out. Wow. You see that little bit, huh? Very weird spot to have this funnel. So now I'm gonna go clean this cap out. I'll come right back. Cleaned it out for the most part. I'm gonna install this back in there and see if we can get any more fuel flow. See if I can get any flow out of this. Still absolutely nothing with the vacuum line, so how do I drain this without siphoning? I don't want to have to siphon this. Oh yeah, this tank's dirty. I'm going to say that petcock is clogged with all this residue. I don't know if that's dirt or rust or what. I'm thinking it's just rust, but it looks like we're going to have to clean this tank as well. Alright, I'm back. I just got done siphoning the little bit of gas out that was in there. I didn't get it on any video, but I got all the gas out that I need to. So now I can go ahead and take this petcock right out, disassemble it, and see what the heck is filling it up. Very, very tight spot here. Ooh, doggy. That's nasty. Can you see it? Gross. There we go. It is full of nasty crap. Time to clean it. Oh yeah, this thing's done. Well, that is not a good thing when this tears. So before I install a new petcock, since the other one is so corroded and busted up, I got to remove this tank and clean it. So I'm going to have to remove this oil inlet, the seat lock, and then this upper bracket here to be able to get the tank off and go clean it. So I pulled out the float to be able to drain the gas a little better, and I think we're good. This tank is clean. There's hardly any particulates coming back out of it, so I'm going to reinstall everything. So with the tank all cleaned up, I went through our inventory, and the only petcock I could find was an actual manual petcock. This is going to fit up in that tank. The only problem is I'm going to have to reach up under the fender every time we turn the fuel on and off. No big deal. This can get changed out later, obviously. Gotta add these little gaskets just in case the threads want to leak. So along for the vacuum line, I'm going to be blocking off the vacuum to the carburetor. Alright, fuel tank is installed. I lied. Now the fuel tank is installed. The old battery wouldn't even read on a battery checker or tester. So, we're popping in a new one. Brand new battery, because why not? All right. Let's just see. Oh, could it be the fuse is blown? No. I checked this battery this morning and verified it was good. Well, that sucks. That'll be the next step, figuring out why this thing doesn't have any juice. I was wrong once again. It's got juice. Just no dash lights. We'll figure that out later.